Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be covering 5 lesser known features in Excel. And by lesser known, I mean they likely aren't used for daily business operations, but please leave a comment below if you use any of these features or if you use any of them regularly. So the first feature I'll be covering will be 3D maps. So we will want a geographic location, such as a city, state, or country, and then something to measure by, or something we want to visualize. So if we grab this data, we want to make sure we're in the Data tab, go to Data Model, click on 3D Map. So the 3D map will launch, and this will be a 3D globe that will have our data in there. So now what we're going to want to do is grab our sales data, go to height. So now this will turn this into a bar graph. So there's a lot of different features included in here, but I'll just be doing a basic overview. We can also make this a flat map, and you can also change the angle that you're looking at it to better visualize the data. So you can imagine how this would be very useful and beneficial for any country data that you're looking at, or any sales data in cities or states in the US. And you'll be able to change the way you visualize it by changing the type of graph or chart is shown. This will be a bar chart, and these will be similar. And this will be like a heat map where you can see the different colors, and if you hover over, it will tell you the state or the city or country, and then the amount of sales or what we're measuring. So this could be very useful for either presentation or just in general to visualize things. And if you'd like to see a further in-depth guide of how to use this, please leave a comment below and I'll make a video going more in depth. So the second feature I'll be covering will be embedding PowerPoint presentations. So if we go to Insert and then we click on Object, we'll be able to insert a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And so when this screen pops up, we can add a new slide, and then we'll be able to drag to go from one slide to the next. We can also make this larger by just dragging the corner, and we could do first slide, and we can also add animations. So say we want this to have an animation for when it appears, and then we can go to this, type second slide, and we'll have all the different features that are available in PowerPoint available in this embedded one. So now we can click here and have it float in. So now if we just click out of this, we'll now be able to just move this around, and then whenever we want to either edit it, we can right click, presentation object, we can edit, which will open up that screen we were just in, or we can click show, which will just launch the PowerPoint. So you can see first slide and second slide. So that's an easy way you can embed multiple different PowerPoints into your Excel, or if you're presenting in Excel, you could just add one of these to quickly right click and click show. And now into the third feature. This third feature will be about splitting screen and showing multiple different areas of a screen in Excel. So say we have different charts that we want to look at for population data and just other country data. We can go into view, and then from here we can click split. But if we click split, it'll split whatever cells we're in. So let's say we grab this whole row and then click split, and say we want to look at the highest population by area size and also density. We can either have it like this, but then say we want to look at one of those and also scroll down to growth rate or net change. This will make it possible to look at different areas of our spreadsheet, especially if we have too much data. It's too large to look at multiple graphs at once. And if we click unsplit, it will unsplit this, and we can also split by column or by specific cells. So if we split this cell right here, it'll split into 4 quadrants. So this scroller will be back and forth over here. This will be these two down here, and this up here. I do think splitting into 4 is a bit confusing, but could be useful in some scenarios. And another way will be by clicking new window. So now we have 2 of the same. So if we make these each half screen, we can see that the names are book 1, 1, and book 1, 2. So these will be the same exact spreadsheet that we'll be able to look at one area of our sheet while we're focusing on another area. So you'll be able to look through numbers while you're also looking at different graphs. And there's a lot of different scenarios where this could be very useful to look at the same sheet in 2 different views. And the fourth feature will be extremely quick and easy to use. It'll be inserting a screenshot. So we'll go to the Insert tab, and under Illustrations, click Screenshot. The tab or the web page will need to be open behind the screen. So if we move this, we can see that the window is open. So if we just click Screenshot, this will import the screenshot of that screen for exactly what it is. So this will show Yahoo Finance, Apple, and this will be a really quick way to where if you're researching, you can just add quick screenshots of open windows in the background. And the fifth and final feature will be very simple. We'll go to the View tab, and this will be for navigation. So if you have a spreadsheet with a ton of different tabs and objects and pictures, this could be a quick way to navigate. So you'll click on the tab, which mine are just numbered 1 through 5, but you'll click on this object, it'll navigate you there. And if you're on 3, you can click here, and you can go around to different charts or to the table, and every object that's available or every range, it will take you right to them. So this will be a quick way to just navigate from one place to another for sheets that have tons of data and tons of objects included on them. And that's all I have for you in this video. Please leave a comment below if you use any of these features. And also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching.